How to get subscription on Amazon Prime. Hey there, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can get subscription on Amazon Prime. In order to get a subscription on Amazon Prime, first of all, you can either do it from your web browser or you can just use the application itself. Go ahead and open up your application. So after you open up your application, it's going to direct you to the home page. Now after you open up your application, if you don't have an account, then you'll be asked to sign up. So you can sign up with your Amazon account. So after that, you'll be directed to this kind of page. So after that, you'll be asked whether you want to create a premium account or whether you want to sign up for a free trial for 30 days. Now you need to go and tap on start your free trial period on the Amazon Prime. After that, you'll be logged into your Amazon account. If you're not already logged into your Amazon account, you'll be prompted to log in. At this stage, enter in your Amazon account user and password name. For that, you need to click on the profile icon. It's going to direct you to the profile page. Over here, go ahead and tap on the gear icon. While on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find manage account. You'll have two different options, that is to make changes with your detail, or you can just go ahead and create a payment method or set up a premium method. Now you'll need to set up a payment method in order to start your free trial as well. So first of all, you'll be asked to provide the card details. For 30 days, you'll be able to enjoy Amazon without paying a penny. So after 30 days, you'll have to pay a certain amount according to the plan that you've subscribed for. After that, you need to enter in your payment method. That could be your net banking, maybe your card details and all that. After that, complete the sign up process. Once you've set up the payment method, you can enjoy Amazon Prime. So in this way, you can get a subscription or premium account on Amazon Prime. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.